So, simple technique to release the upper trapezius. It's more external muscles, but also you get some of the deeper ones inside. So if you suffer with headaches, migraines, neck and shoulder pain, especially if you sit at a desk, head is forward, if you've got jaw pain, stuff like that, this is going to be very good. It's a very simple technique, and you can get your partner to practice this on you at home. And I'll demonstrate. So what we're going to do is, I'm just slightly to the side of Shiva here, and I'm going to rest my left hand on her left shoulder, and my right forearm is going to come into the side of her neck like so, just below the hairline. Now Shiva is going to bring her left ear to her left shoulder. So all this is doing is kind of softening the tissue on the left side of the neck, so I'm not pushing in, but just kind of slightly in and down, okay, just so that there's a little bit of traction there. And then Shiva's going to take her right ear to her right shoulder, so side flexion. As she does that, I'm going to turn my palm up, and this is going to help me to draw down along the side of her upper trapezius here. And then again over slightly, and then right ear, right shoulder, side flexion. Good. And back again, and go. Good. Now, to get these middle fibers of the upper trapezius and levator scapulae that come down back here, Shiva's going to bring her head kind of this way a little bit and back slightly. Now take your head, Shiva, towards your right knee, forward and down. Good. And back again, and again, forward and down again, just turning my palm up. Obviously, my forearm is kind of going down along the trapezius as she stretches it the opposite way. And head up. Now to the center. Now elbow comes in between the shoulder blades and T3, maybe T2, T3. Now lift your chin up and take your chin to the chest. As she does this, I'm just going to gently push down with my elbow, just gently. Head up and chin to the chest. How does this feel?
Yeah, deep.
Good. And not much pressure on my part. Lift your head up, chin to the chest. So I'm creating a certain amount of pressure, a certain amount of traction here, but Shiva's doing the work, and then she can control the strength of it through that. So how does that feel?
Great.
Excellent. So bring your head towards me nicely. Now take your left ear to your left shoulder, so side flexion to the left. Go. How's that feel?
Yeah, good.
Good. Come back over. So you're just softening here. So there's kind of taking up the slack a little bit. And then as Shiva side flexes to the left, I'm going to turn my palm up. And this is going to draw my forearm down the trapezius. Come back over again. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to the kind of middle fibers of the upper trapezius. Bring your head back this way now. Now take your head towards your left knee, forward and to the left. And again, I'm just going to turn my palm up, and this is going to come back over. That's it, soften, and then forward and to the left. Going down, like so. And again, and down. Good. Now, chin up, and then chin to the chest, straight forward. I'm just drawing my elbow now down between the shoulder blades, head up, and chin to the chest. Good. And one more. Good. Head up. Now, turn your head slowly to the left. Good. And then come back. And again, slowly to the left. Again, I'm just turning my palm up, working down, come back, and again. Good. And back to the center. How do you feel?
Yep, that is looser.
Good, excellent.